Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 3 and number 6 we can do about factorization by number 3. This one by e to the power of t. Next, we can do another factorization by 1 minus 2u. So this one I will put on the right. This one I will put on the left. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of 1 minus 2u. The integration of number 3, we have 3t. This one, we have e to the power of t, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.